From time to time, a homeowner or contractor will notice that their door is protruding past the jamb and will not seal properly. This could be caused by a number of factors ranging from the home shifting to the door frame being installed slightly out of plane or warping of the door slab, which is rare in ProVia doors. This video will demonstrate a simple method of checking to see if a door slab has become warped. Since this is a problem that's easy to misdiagnose, the purpose of this test is to help rule out a warped slab. A quick way to test whether warping has occurred is the string method. Get a length of string, chalk string will do, that will allow some coverage over both the top and bottom of the door. First, lay the string beneath the door and hold it underfoot. Next, draw the string over the top of the strike side of the door by hand. Finally, inspect the string to see if the clearances are the same from the top to the bottom. If the slab is warped, then the bottom, center, and top clearances will be significantly different than each other. Repeat this process for both sides of the door to ensure an accurate reading. A slight amount of clearance is expected in the string, but it should not exceed 3/16 of an inch. If the clearance of the string exceeds the maximum tolerance, please consult your door warranty about the additional steps to take. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video about the string method for checking for warps in door slabs.